All right, so welcome back to another Disney Lorcana unboxing video. This time around, I am planning to do things a bit differently. Instead of doing just one long video where I open all the different boxes and booster boxes, stuff like that, I am planning to open them one by one in separate videos instead. And this is, of course, the Shimmering Skies expansion number 5, which is called Shimmering Skies, which came out this August. So I'm just a bit late recording this video since it's, September now. But this expansion comes with almost like a board game called Gateway, which is a 2-player game where you sort of learn how to play Disney Lorcana. And I'm not entirely sure why they did this, because they have had different types of attempts at doing just that, learning, trying to teach people how to play the game, different pamphlets and stuff like that. So anyway, this is the back side, and it says that it contains 2 starter decks, 4 reward packs, 30 damage counters, 2 character movers, 2 character bases, 1 game board. That will be interesting to see. 1 rule book, 1 guidebook, and 2 deck tip pamphlets. So let's crank this thing open. Of course, no booster boxes or anything like that, so no rare or enchanted cards or anything like that. It does, however, come in this thicker board game type of box, which I appreciate. All right, so we have the rule book, how to set up the game, cards, and at some point I will most likely teach myself how to play the game. I just haven't had any interest so far. I just I enjoy collecting them more than playing. But who knows? Maybe I'll get into it and it will be a fantastic game. To come to think of it, I've never actually played any trading card games, so I'm really new to this. All right, so a guidebook. First one was a rule book. This is a guidebook, Endless Adventures. Okay, it explains all the different cards, I guess. Let's see, songs, items, ability cost, floodborn characters and shift, and so on. It's kind of interesting how the first chapter is almost impossible to find now. Also, Rise of the Floodborn. You can find a few of them, but they are rare indeed. So they seem to be disappearing quite quickly from the market as soon as they sell out. Okay, so here we have the 2 deck tip pamphlets. And of course the damage counters. And the character cards. Let's see. Okay, so you can just choose, I guess, whichever you want. So here is the actual board. Yeah, okay, it has some weight to it. So this is actually more of a board game style instead of the usual where we have just a paper you have to fold out and try to keep it on the table. But this is indeed a thick cardboard play deck. So this is nice. Or play field. All right, so let's see, how did this fold? Like this. What else do we got? We have 2 plastic just stands for the characters. Nothing special. And starter deck on the first one and the second one. And I'm assuming that, well, we can already see it, that it is a mix of previous expansions. Not sure if these two will contain any from this last one. Probably not, I should say, because they want people to buy the booster boxes and all the other items they sell for this specific expansion. So I am guessing we will see any cards, you know, from expansion 1 up to 4. I am not going to open these right now, since this is not a Shimmering Skies expansion in that sense. Then we have these. Let's see, do not open yet. This pack is locked. Do not open until instructed. And what were these called? Reward packs. Okay, this has piqued my interest, so I need to take a look inside and see exactly what this is. All right, so what these are? Okay, these are just regular cards. All right, I'm not sure what the reward thing is then. It says starter deck here. On this one, doesn't really say anything, but since it's 4 packs and on the back you have 4 reward packs, 18 cards each. So yeah, should be these ones. So I'm not sure where the reward part of this is, but okay. I guess you are rewarded additional cards somehow. And that's about it in terms of the gateway, well, game, board game, whatever you want to call it. So I'll just end the video right there and see you in the next one.